And hello again. Well, this is getting to be a bit of a habit, but the reason for the habit is because at Studio Bagno we continually develop new products for the Australian market. Today I'm going to introduce two toilets to you, Lust, which you can see here, and Verve. Lust in particular reinforces that slightly softer, more organic look that's exemplified by the Nur series basins, which you've probably seen on our website. Both these toilets feature Geberit internals, soft close seats of course, and they are rimless. Now, those of you who know Studio Bagno well know that we are obsessed about how toilets flush. We want to minimize flushing twice. So our toilets all outperform. In fact, these toilets, which are made for us in Europe, have passed not only the Australian standard, but the German standard and the British standard, which means they've been subjected to even more tests, which is your guarantee of the best possible performance out of the full and half flush. This, the Lust, I like this fella, with this nice soft line up the side, very easy to clean around the bottom because you've got quite a high skirt. Now, if you need more information on these, of course, they're on our website, or you can call our office or your Studio Bagno representative, and we'll arrange to get one around in the flesh, if you like, so you can have a look at it. I hope you like them. I think these are sensational.